Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing okay. I know that we're in an unusual time of our lives going through a pandemic, and I've had a few of my customers ask me about how to effectively use their ENJO. So I'm doing this quick little video just to show you like the high traffic stuff that you need to take care of. Once you're in your home, your ENJO is cleaning pore deep, so you're getting a good clean. Now, if you have a person that has to go out to work regularly, you're going to want to clean beyond your entryway. But because we've been in our home, I haven't left in over a week. My husband had to go get blood this morning, so I didn't let him any further than the doorway here, and we took care of everything that he needed to. So we're okay, and there are only the two of us in the house. If you have more people going in and out constantly, then obviously clean a little bit further than what I am going to show you right now. But do remember that your ENJO cleans pore deep. So you want to clean the pores out because things hide in pores, right? So what I mean by that is, sorry, I have stuff kind of all over the place here. So this is just a plain, I've got some butter on my plate. I didn't want to go on my finger very well there. So to show you that your ENJO is safe, I'm going to show you our butter test. See the butter on the plate right here? And there's more there, you just can't see it. It's all smeared in. Oh, there you go. That shows you. So what I'm going to do to clean that is going to take my kitchen glove. So remember to keep your fibers in the zone that they're for. So this one actually says right on it, kitchen. And I'm cleaning a plate, which you would traditionally find in a kitchen. So if I was in my kitchen, I would probably just put my glove under the faucet, but I don't have a faucet at my front door. So I'm just going to use a spray bottle, and it's got cold water in it. So nothing harmful here. And then I'm just going to give it a quick little clean with just gentle circular motions. You don't want to press down really hard. See, you can see the butter in that glove there. Can you hear it? It's squeaky clean. I'm just going to dry it because bacteria needs moisture to grow. So you want to make sure that you get rid of all of the moisture. So I'm just using my ENJO fill, my kitchen ENJO fill for that. And then, still see my butter. I'm clean the other side, and can I squeaky clean. And the butter is still in the glove. So picture the dirt, bacteria, anything else. Any particles that you have on your surfaces are going to be held in the glove, just the way that butter was. It's just we can see butter better than we can see any of the other different things that you might be collecting. So know that you are getting the best clean that you possibly can. And that is really important. If you do feel the need to disinfect because you have people coming in and out constantly or something like that, you still have to clean first. And you want the best clean that you possibly can get before you go to the disinfecting step. Disinfecting means putting a chemical on that will kill. ENJO does not do that. We are just using cold water and we are cleaning. We are cleaning the best clean that you can get. So we live in the time of COVID-19. So what does that mean? So, and that's why I set up in my front hall here, because typically the rest of the house is okay. But this is the entry point for everything from the outside, the big bad world of the outside now. So if I've come in, or this morning my husband came in, nobody else has been able to come in. What I'm going to do is, as soon as we come in, obviously remove anything that we need to and deal with that. But you also need to make sure that you clean well. And just to show you, I have a hook right beside my front door, and on that hook is my ENJO. Why do I have it there? Because there's no excuse. It's right there. It's handy. I'm not going to forget to clean afterwards. So you're going to want to use your living glove. So this is the living strong medium and the living ENJO fill. And again, just your cold water. You're going to spray your glove. You don't want it soaking wet. You want it damp though. Obviously the water is what's going to do the work. So I'm just going to do the one side because I have my board set up right beside this and I'm afraid of knocking it over if I open the door too far. So if we've come in, I'm going to clean the door knobs, anything like that that we may have touched, and then dry behind. That's the important step. Now don't forget you're going to want to do both sides of, I can. So you're going to want to do both sides of the door. Now we also have a screen door, so I'm going to take care of those handles. And I would do the outside as well, I just can't get there. And if you're in the mood and your window looks like mine, you can probably do the window while you're at it, because this is the glove for it. So now the door is safe. Anything else that I've brought in with me, like my car keys and stuff like that, I can give them a good, especially the house key and the vehicle keys, and then dry behind. And anything else that you may need to bring in with you, I can't think off the top of my head. Oh, cell phone. I'd clean my cell phone, but I'm recording with that at the moment. So here you go. I'll pretend to clean you. There, my cell phone's clean now. So if I have deliveries come, even though I know it's safe from ENJO because there's nothing inside the warehouse where they're packing everything, it's gone to Canada Post, and I have no idea how many people have touched it from there. So I'm going to take that box and I'm going to clean it really well with my ENJO and dry behind. And then I don't have to worry that there's anything on that box that's gone through how many different cities before it got to me. If you've gone grocery shopping, that's something that so many people are really, really concerned about. So we have a couple of options for the once you've come into your home portion of that. So if it's something that's in a package, I can use I've got my living one out. If you're in your kitchen, you could use your green one for the kitchen. If it's more porous, like your fruits and vegetables, use the fruit and veg cloth. So again, this one's not wet, so I just need to wet it a little bit. So you're just going to use the cold water and then clean your fruits and vegetables and everything like that. Now, if it's a bag of potatoes, you don't have to clean every piece of potato in that bag, but clean the outside of the bag. And then everything's safe. So our fruit and veg has a soft side, which is, it doesn't normally have water in the middle of it. It would all be the same color. That's for your soft things like your mushrooms, strawberries, things like that. And then we have a rough side that is for potatoes, carrots, beets, anything rough like that. So it's just extra peace of mind, because those are things, especially like if you think about a lemon, yes, you're not eating the outside of the lemon, but if you cut the lemon, the knife goes through the skin and into the flesh. So anything that was on the skin is now in the flesh of your lemon. So you want to make sure that you've cleaned it off well. Even before everything with COVID-19 happened, I make my husband lemon water quite often. So I'm cutting the lemon, but then I'm just cutting a few slices to put in the lemon water. And so the rind is on it. So I want to make sure that's clean, because I don't want it to go into the water and then him eating, whoever knows what is on there. So so that will help with your groceries. You can clean your grocery bags with your living glove. What else? Your shoes, if you need to clean your shoes, if you've stepped in something. Or you can use your outdoor glove for that one as well. So just remember that whatever zone it's in, so if you're cleaning something in your bathroom, you're probably best to use your bathroom. Anything in the living zone, this is the one that is probably the least utilized until now and the most utilized at the moment. So the medium soft, or the strong medium glove and the ENJO fill, we have a dust glove, which is super amazing, especially if you're allergic to dust like me. And then we have a textile and soft. So that one's really good if you've been out and you're concerned about like maybe the upholstery in your car. so your seat. So the textile side is the stripy side. You can just dampen it a little bit and it will help to clean anything that. So your carpets, your clothing, upholstery, anything that's a fabric, that's what you're going to want to use that glove for. Your kitchen, if you don't have the dual glove, you can use the all-purpose cloth, which is just, it's a one-sided fiber, so it doesn't have two different sides. It's just got the one. This one's really great for doing dishes and stuff too. So it's a nice size. So I don't know if I put my hand on it. Can you see there? See, it is quite a nice size. And then dry with your, and you fill. Your skin, we've got to clean our skin. How many times do you have to clean your hands, right? So, on my keychain for when I go out, I always have an iPad. I keep a little bottle of water, especially right now, in my vehicle, so that I can wet my iPad and then I can wash my hands with it. I can, quite often what I do is if there's a handle, I don't have a handle nearby, but you know, like not a turn knob, like on my, oh hey, this one, can you see that one? This one has a flat, nope, you can't really see it. Anyways, it's just a push down. So I'm going to use my iPad and just push down. So the iPad is in between my hand and the knob. Or if it's one of the sort of C ones, I can do the same thing and pull it in and clean off the handle of the cart. Lots of different things. If that seems a little bit small for you, you have other options, don't worry. The new baby wipes are a really great size. Look at this. Look, my whole hand. Now, I mean, this wouldn't work as well for my husband, but my whole hand fits on there. So for cleaning the cart or something like that, it works really well. And you don't have to have two different colors like me. You would have two of the same color. This is just what I have handy. Carrying grocery bags, whatever. Like, whatever you need to do to make yourself feel safe, we probably have something that we can help you with. Don't hesitate. Give me a call, text, email, whatever. Just get a hold of me. If you don't like those, we also have our sensitive skin cloth. So it's exactly the same size as the kitchen all-purpose cloth. It's just, this was our skin fiber. So see, my hand again fits nicely on it. Again, you know, if you're the cart at the grocery store or something like that, you can fit two hands on there, or if you really want to, you could do two of them. But this one, just clean your skin, your hands. Like we're constantly cleaning our hands these days, are we not? But this doesn't dry your skin out. It actually balances your pH level. So I have lots of these. Between my iPads and all my other skin fibers, we have lots of them. So I can constantly be washing. So I don't have to worry about anything when we do leave the house. If you want something that you can kind of keep maybe in your vehicle, because you don't have 5 living gloves to clean everything, we do have this, which is the same fiber as the medium side of the living glove. It's again, it's a one-sided item. So this one, look how big this is. Like I think even a man's hand would fit nicely on this one. So it would work well for your grocery carts and stuff like that. I guess the other ones I would actually probably put so that the fiber was out, so that my hands were on the skin fiber, so that I don't have to worry about it. But yes, so I use those quite regularly. This one is a nice size, and everything has a little hook or a tab on it so that you can hang it on a hook or somewhere that's convenient. Now, for washing, make sure at this time that you're using hot water. We always say, you know, warm to hot, but really make sure that you're using hot water right now. It's a little extra safety precaution, just in case there's something on there that you want to make sure is really, really gone. I'm not sure if the floor. You've walked in, you don't know where you've walked. I have a small little rug right here at the moment, but if you don't, you want to clean your floor, because if you've walked out and all over the place, and this isn't just now, right? Like, happens all the time. You clean the floor, somebody walks in, they've got mud on their shoes. You don't want that tracked all through your house. So the floor system works really well for that, and it is adjustable. So you just want to make sure that it's up to the right height. Now, you're probably not going to dust it as much at this time. You're probably going to want to use either the soft or the medium fiber. It depends on what floor type you have, and I can help you with that if you have any questions. So that works really well to clean the floor once you've come in from outside. So that pretty much cleans everything, I think, that you may have come in contact with or had to bring into your home. So we are going to do more of these kinds of videos on different areas. Like, I think we'll concentrate on skin the next time. So if you want to learn more about those or see more about those, please let us know. We're going to do some Zoom calls, and we'll try and remember to press record. But those Zoom calls are interactive. So it's really, really great, because if you have a question, you can ask it, and you can see what's going on live. Like this, I'm recording a video. I'm not even doing a Facebook Live. So if it's interactive, then we can immediately answer your questions. But I hope you're having an amazing day and you're staying calm and safe. And I really, really hope that ENJO is bringing at least a little bit of peace of mind to you, because I'm using nothing else in our household. I am extremely chemically sensitive. Just going to the grocery store with all those sprays and wipes and stuff that they're using, I can barely breathe. So that's why I'm not going out unless I absolutely have to. And I hope you're doing the same thing. Let's knock COVID-19 out of Canada and out of the world as fast as we can. But in the meantime, just make sure that you're cleaning everything super well. Don't let that thing into your home. And if it's in your home, make sure that you are taking care of yourself any way that you need to right now, because we don't want to lose you. So I hope that this was a little bit informative for you. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.